So what's up guys? I know it's been a while. So I just bought a new mic and the sound you are listening is from this mic which I am unboxing on my left hand side. So it is right. So it is a Fifine mic, Fifine t058b, which I got it for 1300 rupees. Yep, I know that's very cheap because that mic cost around 3000 if I saw last time. Yeah, it was 3000 rupees. Yeah, well, it is a condenser mic. So, yep. And also, you guys will ask when will I start streaming and all. I know I am late, but the thing is, I have classes and yeah, it's my first year in engineering. So you can, I think you guys can imagine what's the hardship I'm facing right now. First year engineering, where people say it's easy, but no. Nope. It's not easy. It's not at all easy. Okay. So yeah. This is the mic. Please see all the unboxing and my hand reveal. Well, I will cut the hairs soon. Don't worry. Just kidding. So yeah. We will meet until next time. I mean on I will tell you guys soon. Okay. Till then, see you, tata, bye bye, take care. Okay.